Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel a Klarna payment plan. All right, if you've been wondering how to cancel a Klarna payment plan, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Klarna account. You can log in on the official website, or you can log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once that's done, you just go to the payments tab, and then you're going to select the payment plan that you want to cancel, and you can click on cancel payment plan. And then it's gonna get a pop-up to ask you for confirmation on plan cancellation. Just confirm the cancellation, and Klarna is gonna take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to cancel a Klarna payment plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next